Look at that. That's Puri. I don't think I've ever seen one of these happen outside of a wedding.
And it puffed immediately. Oh, and
man.
she just like lightly cooks it. Oh, that looks so amazing. I'm sure you guys are super hungry now. Beautiful.
Not sure what that is. That looks like a little bit of chili.
A little bit of chili, a little bit of bean, tomato rigai, and this is
Some sort of bread, I would think.
oh, and potato. Wow. And an achar.
Oh, it gets
And
everything. Some pumpkin. It's like a 7 curries on a piece of bread.
Wow.
No, this is actually our one.
You do TikTok?
Yes, yes.
I know you.
Okay, thank you.
Wow, this is completely new for us.
It really is. I'm so
Awesome.
excited to try it. To try a tea puri.
Tea puri, the
Tea puri.
first time trying a tea puri, would you believe? And they're only 15 rupees. Unboxing.
Unboxing of the tea puri. Look,
at
it's
that.
like a fried roti, I think.
Yeah, it's a bit thicker and like a little bit of crispier bits.
Okay. And
Let's just
inside,
remind you all of that stuff she put in there while I mix up some of the chili.
7 curries. 7 curries almost.
Almost, hey? Potato and pumpkin and achar even, and the bread, the like spinach thing, the different
Shoo-shoo.
texture.
Yeah, it's different,
It's like
isn't
it's like crunchy. Oh, my mouth is watering for a change.
it? I guess Ricky gets to try first.
Of course. Please don't be hot. Yeah, the achar on there is a little unexpected. It's got that really sharp vinegary and pickly note.
A bit of a surprise
And a
when you
little
put
bit
in.
spicy, and then all those other flavors. And the dough itself, thin but with a bit of chew, and it tastes almost a little bit sweeter.
Okay.
Someone's smiling at me while I'm commenting on a tea puri.
I really like the achar. Really is a
Oh, me
great.
too.
They should put that into the rotis.
Yeah. You just got to get tea puri. You don't see it often though, hey? Love it.
This is a new red letter day because we haven't had that before, and it's a must eat now. You got to try a tea puri when you come to Mauritius. Definitely got to try a tea puri.